It's a thing I remembered as a kid. I saw Marguerite Clark in it in Kansas City one time when I was a newsboy. They had a big showing for all the newsboys, and I went and saw Snow White. It's probably one of my first big feature pictures I'd ever seen.
First thing I did when I got a little money to experiment, I put all my artists back in school. Now, we were dealing in motion, movement, and the flow of movement, the flow of things, you know, action, reaction, all of that. So we had to set up our own school.
It's been a lot of fun making it. We're very happy that it's being given this big premiere here tonight. And all these people are turning out to take a look at it, and I hope they're not too disappointed.
We had a heck of a time getting enough money to finish Snow White. 6 months later, we were sitting with all of our debts paid off with at least a couple $1 million in the bank. With the profits of Snow White, I built a studio.